Is Param Shiva different than Shiva that we worship?
Karma Shiva is universal Shiva. These all other personalities, the directors, the Brahma, Vishnu,
Is this the highest teaching in Kashmir Shaivism?
no
Not to
escapement. When Lord Shiva is set, how his creation is unreal.
How does Shaktipat work?
Shaktipat, there are so many kinds of Shaktipat. It is Tivra, Tivra, Tivra.
How can we put Spanda in? How to understand?
Spanda is in between two breaths, in between two thoughts, in between two steps.
What is the definition of Bhairava?
Bhairava is Shiva while in body. When that Bhairava state comes, it goes to Shiva. Body cannot tolerate that because Shiva does not breathe.
Coming back to Kashmir almost after 15 years and having this intense conversation with one of the closest disciples of Lakshman Ji was an experience. We were at Ishwar Ashram and Lakshman Ji is one of the greatest saints who have got Kashmir Shaivism for the modern world. And being in the ashram, looking for that conversation, we met Pranji. And the personal experience that he had from childhood with Lakshman Ji was so incredible. Of course, few conversations off the camera. But here we have Pranji. His name is Pran itself, that stands for Bhairava. Such a beautiful conversation. There are very few people who have experienced Kashmir Shaivism practically, and he's one of them.
Guru Shaktir Jayate ka Matrup Pravikashika Swarup Gopana Vyagra Shiv Shakti Jitaya. Guru Shakti Jayate ka गुरु शक्ति की जय जयकार हो. एक शक्ति है गुरु शक्ति. इट इज यूनिवर्सल शक्ति. जितने गुरु हैं उनमें एक ही शक्ति है. शक्ति एक ही है, गुरु शक्ति, विच इज वेरी हैविंग दैट ग्रेविटी. गुरु गुरु शक्ति जयते का मथ रूप. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दैट गुरु शक्ति? मथ रूप प्रविकाशिका. इट द फंक्शन ऑफ गुरु शक्ति इज जस्ट टू मेक यू अवेयर ऑफ दैट हु एम आई. Matrupa, this I. Everybody says in the universe, I, am. Who is this I? Matrupa Pravikashika. Our I is very much limited. It is shrunken I. We have to come to universal I. Actually, you are universal. We are shrunken. So you have to come out of this shell. Guru Shakti Jayate ka Matrupa Pravikashika. The function of Guru Shakti is only to take the disciple to his who he is. He should come to know this. Swarupa Gopana Vyagra. When one takes birth in the world, he is only on body. When a baby comes, he is on this body. It is Shiv Shakti. It has been Shiv Shakti has function. You are on body. But Guru Shakti reveals. Shiv Shakti conceals your nature. Guru Shakti reveals your nature. So Guru Shakti has conquered Shiv Shakti. So it is glorified Guru Shakti, which reveals you, who are you. And the Shiv Shakti is bent upon to conceal its nature because he has to make, plan. He has planned this world, and you have to be in this planning. Guru Shakti makes sure who am I. He goes beyond Maya Shakti. Shiv Shakti is conquered. That is Guru. It is the function of Guru to make one reveal himself. Who am I? That is good. Guru Shakti.
Guruji, why has Shiva forgotten himself? Because he already has Shiva. Why did we forget who we are?
Because we are in thoughts. It is his Bhranti Mahati Shakti. It is the greatest Shakti, power of Shiva. He has put us in Bhranti. Brahma dala hai. Ye mera baap, ye mera ye. He has put him in Bhranti. And this is the weapon. This Leela, how this Leela will function? Himself, the soul, universal. But he is enjoying this Had there been only Lord Shiva, how you would come to know who am I? When there is this, then you will know I. The whole universe has been created to come to yourself. When there is Shakti, energy, this is the energy of Lord Shiva. Fire and heat. Can you separate fire from heat?
No.
So Shiva Shakti is one. It is his own glory, this whole universe. But thisness, when thisness is there, then you can come to I. When there is no this, how you will know I?
Understanding.
To come to yourself, this is not for, this world has not been created for degeneration. It is for upliftment. Had there not been this, how would you see I? Then it was all his God consciousness. He enjoys this.
Just a play.
He enjoys this whole. It is all. Shaktestu Shaktiman Chaiva Padarthu Dvayamuchyate. This is the Shaivism. These are true things. Shakti and Shaktiman. Shaktestu Shaktiman Chaiva Padarthu Dvayamuchyate. Shaktestu Jagatsar. Shaktiman tu Maheshwara. Shakti is the whole universe, energy. This is matter, energy. And the holder of that energy is Shiva. Holder is Shiva. This is Shakti. Fire and heat. This is your own glory. What you will renounce? How can you separate fire from heat? Enjoy. This is for enjoyment. This is to come to yourself. When you see some beauty, where the beauty lies? It is because of you. It is because I. It rebounds again to you, this I. To see the beauty of the universe is not a sin. But when thought comes, it becomes sinful. Direct listening, direct seeing, direct tasting, direct touching. No intervention of thought. All the five senses become totally aware. They become, at this time, they are full of thoughts. They are full of vrittis. Vritti means thoughts. All the five senses. If I see something, after 1 second, I want that flower in my own bedroom.
Yes.
Or I justify, I condemn, I identify. When I see something, when I listen something, it is natural. Habit. This is habit, thought. It has become a habit. From centuries together, from janmas together, habit. Why don't you? It is only consciousness which can taste, which can touch, which can see, which can enjoy. Why thought? I see you, why image? Direct listening, no thought. Thought is pollution. Thought makes your seeing polluted. Thought makes your listening polluted. You have to change these, all the five senses are to be cleared from wrath, from these vrittis, so that they become devis. These five senses, they are full of thoughts, vrittis. They are to be, when they are cleared by grace of Guru, what he tells to do, methods, means, they become clear, direct. There is no intervention of thought. I see directly. This is called Prathamavas.
That is Param Shiva different than Shiva that we worship?
Parama Shiva is universal Shiva. These all other personalities, those directors, Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Indras, they derive power from that.
So that is the
Parama, supreme. Parama Shakti or Parama Shiva is one.
Then why does Prakash and Vimarsh, why it comes from that if it is everything? Why does it? परम शिवा से प्रकाश भी होता है, विमर्श भी होता है.
When Vimarsh is Shakti, it is Shakti. Vimarsh is Shakti. Because media is Shakti. Shiva has come down through Shakti as an individual. He has become individual. Through Shakti, media is Shakti. But now he doesn't go up again. He is stuck here. It doesn't come. Shaivism is to come down also and to go again. This is Trika. Narashakti Shivatmakam Trikam. Shiv, through media of Shakti, has become individual. Now this individual is stuck here. He is, but he has only one channel Shakti through which he has to again arise.
So when I say Trika, it is Shiva, Shakti, and
Shiva Shakti
Shiv-
Naratmak.
Naratma.
But actually, individual is not indivisible. It is indivisible, which cannot be further divided. It is full. It is atom. All the 36 elements are in this. जो अंड में वो पिंड में. So how you will cross this whole 36 elements? This is the shortest way in the body. He comes to his Shivahood. You have not to go through water element, pile up, and then it will take centuries.
How can we easily get? What is the fastest way to get in Krishna
Anupaya.
consciousness?
Anupaya is there first. They have, Abhinavgupta says in Shaivism, in all other thoughts, first there is lower way, then there is other, then there is third, then there is, you have to go
Step
from
by
down to up.
step.
Tantra Loka says first chapter is Anupaya.
Anupaya.
Thought, pathless path.
No ways, no
No
means.
way, no means. Huh? Now this is called Anupaya.
Anupaya.
Where there are no means. It is beyond means. Now, Abhinavgupta has given an example of that. Paijalam na shivam prakashayet ghaten kyumbati sahasradiditi vivechiyan itham udar dharshana swayam prakasham shivam avishet Upayajalam na shivam prakashit. By these means you can't come to Shivahood. Means cannot explore Shiva. Because when there is meant, then there are means. When there is upay, then there are upayas. They are subsequent. When there is Shiva, then there are means. When there is meant, then there are means.
Understand.
How can these little means make you to understand Shiva? Upaya jalam na shivam prakash. You cannot make shine Lord Shiva by these means, little means. Now he has given example. Ghatena kyum bhati sahasradiditi. Can you see the sun by candles? It is all futile. What are you doing? I have lit 1 lakh candles. What are you doing? I want to see sun. It is on the contrary, it is the sun. It is glittering sun. It is because of him everything is shining. Everything is shining because of that. Listening, seeing, tasting, touching. When there is that shining, it comes out through these vessels. These are the apparatus. And they have no, the lamp has no power. It is only electricity. When there is that prakasha there, when that prakasha leaves this body, they can't do anything. The skeleton is taken to and cremated or put to earth, put to this ground. It has no value. It is only to come to yourself. This body has been given just to come to yourself. We are wasting it for it is Bhranti. We are in Bhranti. When he allows somebody, that is called Shiva's Shaktipata.
Shaktipat. Yes, that.
It is vicious.
But these three.
Guru, if you see Guru is only Shiva, he is Shaktipata is sufficient. Because there is no a devotee who has full faith in his Guru, who is devotedly devoted, who has surrendered. If he wishes, he can also make him like that.
How does Shaktipat work? How?
Shaktipata is just starting. When a spark has come in this, it will one day make him
Just.
Is
Is it spontaneous? Is it spontaneous or?
Because the day you have started to go to Guru, or what for this, that is starting.
Understand.
Your mind has gone. Who am I? It is started. It is Manda, Madhya, or Tivra. Shaktipat, there are so many kinds of Shaktipat. It is Tivra, Tivra, Tivra. Then there is middle, middle, middle. Then there is Mandam. Hmm? Then there are, these are three. Then they become 9.
Subcategory.
Yes. Tivra, Tivra Maidi, Tivra Mandi, Tivra. As 3. So when Shaktipata has started, the day you have desire to come, to see who am I, or I want a guru, I want to go there. And this is start. It is by and by. To some, it comes Tivra. He is totally.
Spontaneous, on the spot.
Our Guru Maharaj would say, if there is Tivra, 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 his body will be off, cut by one stroke. He cannot tolerate this body, cannot tolerate that. Universal bliss. How can he? 100 lamp
Right.
cannot tolerate 1000 bulb
Yes.
power. So it is his blessing also.
So
it is his blessing.
by Anupaya, can we go beyond the 3 Mallas without any way?
Yeah, because he comes with this, that this is only consciousness. Upaya jalam na shivam praka. Gatena kyum bhati sahasra dedi. Can you see the sun by these candles? Huh? It is all futile. Vivichan. We should always be on this vivek. Vivek and vichar. Discrimination only on this. Vivichan itham udhara darshana. A devotee who wants to become vast. Not those devotees who want to fly in the air, who want to go on the water, who want to show people these miracles. Huh? Because there is he is not fit for that. Because he wants to show his miracles to people. He is very down. One who wants to come to the universality. He wants to plunge into the ocean of that consciousness. As long as there is center, there is circumference. As long as there is center, there is circumference.
Understood.
When there is no center, why is circumference?
No circumference.
This is dissolve. It dissolve. With one plunge go past. Nothing only consciousness. Only God. Samvit. Samvit tatam sanyarmalam. It is so nirmal, we can't come. Samvit tat is krama padatitam. There is no kram system. It is beyond system and non-system.
There are no rules, no regulations.
No.
Complete freedom.
Krama pada. This is freedom. You have to come to that. This is swatantravad. Shaivism is swatantra.
Swatantravad, yeah.
Swatantra. Because we have been, by thoughts, we have been engulfed. We can't come out. There is one that Bhatta Narayana has told in that, oh Lord, I am just like in an egg, eggshell. Oh Goddess Mother, oh Parashakti, you just hatch me. You hatch me so that I may come out of the shell and fly. Bird comes out of the shell and he will fly. We are held in this. Thoughts. It's all means are just to remove thoughts.
Just to remove.
Now people are taking drugs and for 1 hour, this mind becomes dead by these drugs, and they are not fit for this world, and not to speak of the other world. They become crazy, they become mad, because this mind should bloom. You should have that drink. Without any drink, you should be drunken. Always. That is drink. That is it.
So from Shiva comes Shakti, from Shiva comes everything. But in my understanding,
It is only Shiva, God consciousness. There is nothing else. Rest is thought. Your name is thought. What is your name?
Bhavesh.
Huh?
Bhavesh.
This has been given when you came out from the mother's womb.
Yes.
After 4 months, 5 months, you were given a label. Umesh. Bhavesh. You were labeled like Bhavesh. Huh? It has not come. Before the name was given to you, you were already exist. You were already existing. And then by and by repeating this name, umpteen times you became this label. I am Umesh, I am Bhavesh, I am Bhavesh. What is your name? I am Bhavesh. What is your name? umpteen times you repeated this name. So you have become the name. You have lost your glory. You have lost your natural state. You have become unnatural. If anybody will tell against your name, Bhavesh, something bad, you will be angry because you have become the name, label. You have lost your natural state. If anybody will praise your name, you will be flared up. Happy
So,
because you have become the name.
understand
You have
that.
lost your natural state, which is universal I consciousness.
So when,
we have been.
why do we bind again? Is
Huh?
it karma working?
It
Is it some kind of
Why? Why?
notion,
Why?
karma?
Why?
Why do we get into identity?
Because
At times I remember,
because if identity is essential in this world, because had we come to ourselves, we would have not come to this. We would. It is
cycle.
repetition unless you merge into that. It is unless you merge into that vast consciousness, that samvit.
What is the state of samvit? Can a person drop down, or once it is achieved?
By
Is-
thoughts, it makes shelves itself. Chittireva chetan padat avrudat. This chitti, this has come down from the chetan consciousness. Chittireva chetan avrudat chitam. चित्त संकोच ही नहीं आत. जब चित्त का संकोच हो गया by thoughts, it became thought. When there is no thought, you are there.
But does it expand and contract?
By
Af-
thoughts, it is contradiction.
But after one point, will it stop?
One point, unless you do it,
And what
unless
are the,
unless you want to.
what are the simple upayas that I can take to practice
Yes,
practically?
Shaivism is for that. All the means are there. If you can't come to anupaya,
Yes. So that the three
anupaya
are-
is direct upaya.
Yes. But it is very difficult because
How
there
it
is
is
no
difficult?
way.
It has no covering. It has no this God consciousness. Samvit has no covering. Shiva has no. It is because of Shiva we can see, we can listen, we can taste, we can touch. How it is possible? If it is not there, it is dead.
So when I talk about
It
Kashmir,
is only Shiva.
so there are no
We take on we make ourselves
Understood.
separate, our identity. It is only
so I don't need rituals. I don't need
nothing.
mantra.
Then what rituals?
I
are
don't need
there?
jap. I don't need
Then
anything.
it is only he sees this in everybody. It is only love. It is Shiv Shakti union. It is love, universal love. He doesn't see your poverty. He doesn't see your riches. He doesn't see your beauty, your ugliness. He sees only consciousness there. It is only love. It is Shiv Shakti union. It is Kashmir Shaivism is only message of love for the universe. Why imagination? Why thoughts? When you take something, you taste that. Why thought? When you listen to some music, why thought? Why you justify? Why you condemn? To remove this habit, Shaivism, habit of this thought.
So
That is
how
disturbance.
how to work on the three upayas
Hmm?
in my day-to-day life?
This is easiest. Because God is not covered somewhere. It is because of that Shakti we can do anything. And we see when that leaves this body, it has no value. We take it and burn it. Skeleton. If you will keep in this more heat, it will give bad smell. It is this joy is there because of that. You are laughing, you are walking, you are talking. It is direct, it is not somewhere hidden. Lord is not hidden.
Understand.
You see, by see yatra yatra ramte marichaya tatra tatra vibhurev jambate. Wherever these marichayas indriya goes, it rebounds again on that consciousness. The beauty lies in the beholder. When there is beauty, when there is no I, where is the beauty?
Understand.
It is because of I. Aham. Aham vimarsh. You show always this vimarsh. I. Subjective, super subjective. Primitiva. This is half of that snake, that Kundalini Shakti. One is objective world, one kundala, one circle is cognitive world, one circle is subjective world, and other half is super subjective, that is primitiva. To be on this.
So when we say Parakundalini, Apara Kundalini, that is all.
It is actually universal Kundalini. It is not that body Kundalini, Prana
Understand.
Kundalini, Para Kundalini, Chit Kundalini.
All are different. Beautiful. Kashmir Shaivism is.
But it is also good if this Kundalini, because he will, at least he will come to know I am not this body. I am
When
something
the-
else.
True.
That he will come to that energy.
In my limited understanding, people use the word vibration for spanda, but I think it is something more. How can we put spanda in? How to understand spanda?
Supanda is in between two. In between two breaths. That is Supanda. In between two thoughts. That is Shaktopaya. In between two steps. Once Deshantara Prapto. If you just walking, while walking also, there is gap. There is gap. Because there is jumbling of thought, we can't catch that. We can't catch that gap. Guru Maharaj makes you by his ways, whatever he gives, according to capacity of the devotee, he gives that. Upaya, that means to that. And because according to disease, he gives prescription. One prescription cannot be for each and every. So Shaivism has told, first give the highest.
Anupaya.
Somebody may be there in 1 lakh, somebody may grasp it. Are Vigyataram Kene. How can you know the knower? It is knower. It is knowing. It is not knowledge. Knowledge is past. It is knowing. Now becomes past after 1 second. You have to begin now. Vartamaneshwar, Vartaman. This to be now. There is no thought. Because prana has come when one is born in this world, prana comes. When one leaves this body, prana leaves. So it is always new. If you can't do other things, at least watch your breath. It will make you one-pointed.
That spanda can be increased.
Supanda then automatically
Decreases
Supanda is there. When Supanda, it becomes universal then.
universal.
Yes, if there is this is Akhand Mandalakar, this universe. Mandal, this is like a football universe. Just take like Akhand Mandalakar, Mandal. If you will keep somewhere your finger, that is the center. Anywhere. So if your Supanda is there, it becomes the center of the universe one day.
Understood. So when that recognition comes, or again we fall down, my question again comes because if I'm living in this world and I will get thoughts, how will I get back? It is a game of Shiv Shakti, non-stop.
There are stages. I am this. This is I.
The
Shuddha Vidya is first.
yes, I should.
I am I. This is this. Like a globe. This is this. Only one globe. Not differentiated. One. This is one. This is I am I. This is this. Aham, idam, idam.
Idam.
Then there is Ishwar Tat. Ishwar Tat. When he goes, because our tendency is outside. When he sees this, he is rebounded. This is because of I. When I am, then this is then. This is I. What I see, this is only I. Then third comes Sadashiva. That is, I am this. It is because of I, this all is. Like in a mirror, everything is reflected. Their only shape is reflected. In this Chetan mirror, in this conscious mirror, sound is reflected, taste is reflected, touch is reflected, smell is reflected. This is that. Tasmin Chiddarpani Sufari. Chiddarpan Sufar. It is so clear. Everything is reflected. This Darpan does not know this is in me. Because we are Chetan. The whole universe is there.
Understand.
And there is no weight. Had there been weight, this mirror would have gone down. When this mirror is put towards a mountain, the weight doesn't come there. Then it will smash down.
Understood.
This is only reflection in that. This is only reflection. It has no weight. When you give thought, it is weightful. Just listen. Why you resist? Listen. Listening is an art. Seeing is an art. These are two. Drishyanavit, Shabdanavit. Just listen. Why you resist? Somebody is passing. Why you resist? Resistance is thought.
But doesn't this become like the same witness in Vedanta?
No witness. Then there should be something to which we witness. That is double.
Understand.
That is somewhere that is a state. Only witness, only that witness. Then only nothing remains. Neither what is witnessed nor मुसलमान कहते हैं सजदा. जब तक सजदा किसी को देते हैं ना तब तक तो दो है ना.
हाँ जी.
सजदा देने वाला और जिसको देता है. At time comes there is only sajda. There is only sajda. Puja. Puja pujak ved. Na pujak रहता है ना पूज्य. Only puja. Neither adorer nor adored. Only adoration. And if you see like that, this adoration.
But practically, when everyone dissolves, will the body operate? Ki body will also.
No, body will as per karma, as per it will go on.
But internally it has.
It may be because when that Shivahood comes, body doesn't remain there. Pran does not in Shivahood. It is up to Sadashiva.
But identity is
Bhairava.
completely gone.
So they say it is Bhairava.
Bhairava.
While in body, you are Bhairava.
That was my next question.
Bhairava.
But in that Bhairava, suppose I call Guruji, if I call you, but in that Bhairava, you won't recognize Guruji. Does that happen?
Yes.
It happens?
Yes, it happens. Because it is inserted on that. Actually, there is nothing. Actually, you are nothing. As long as you want to become something, the struggle starts. If you are intelligent enough, Suprabhuddha, be nothing. The Shambhav.
What is the definition of Bhairava?
Bhairava is Shiva while in body. Shivahood in body. When that Bhairava state comes, it goes to Shivahood. Then that is body. Body cannot tolerate that. Shiva. Because Shiva does not breathe.
Shiva is.
Then after that, it is Bhairava state. The people would come to Swamiji in his last 90, when he was in 90s. Those who had come before, 20 years, 30 years. He said, you are Swamiji Maharaj, Lakshmanji Maharaj. Who is Lakshmanju? I don't know. Who is Lakshmanju? I don't know. I am Bhairava. I don't know. I am not. Who is Lakshmanju? Who was Lakshmanju? नाम रूप तो खत्म हो गए.
How was being under Gurudev? How was your experience? How
When we go to, when we were going there, we had some questions. Then when we sit in his presence, there were no questions. That eroded itself. No question. It was all miraculous. He said, he was telling us, I have no guru at this time. I am very much perturbed. You are fortunate. You have your guru before you. How fortunate you are.
How was he as a
Huh?
how was he as a person? How what was his Swabhava? You have seen the transformation of
Yes,
Bhairava.
yes, it was
and-
all compassion. It was all at that time. These are the symptoms of that. Who is on that Shivahood? Who is on that Bhairahood? It is compassion, love, humility, simplicity, compassion, love. जैसा अंदर वैसा बाहर. There is nothing, no malice, nothing, just clear. So Swamiji would always say to us, keep the room clean, doors and windows open. Hmm? The breeze may come or not. That's not within your volition. When you will be fit for that, it will come. If it comes before that, you will become mad. The ecstasy will come. You are not prepared for that. You will burst. You will become mad. So it is also anugrah. It does not give us because he sees when he is fit for that. It may take 2 Janmas, 3 Janmas. Why are you worried? Don't be greedy. It is his wish. When he sees he is fit for this, then this is his anugrah. He does not put this in the vessel which is not fit.
Mm.
That is also anugrah.
So a Jivan Mukta is a Bhairava.
Yes. Death while living. And that is death while living. That is actual death. Death by old age, death by disease, death by accident. It is common death. That is not death. Death is while living. When there is total death of thoughts, then there is living. Then there is life. You are on life. Till then we are on corpse. Till then we are on corpse. How beautiful I am. Or how ugly I am. He is jealous of other. It is same.
What is a mantra in Shaivism or the Matrikas?
Matrika, this is all. Mantra is man, trana, manan and trana, which makes it.
So in Kashmir Shaivism we do
रक्षा
mantras
करता है मन.
कि मंत्रा की भी जरूरत नहीं है.
It is up to that. अगर if he is वो मंत्र इसलिए जरूरत होता है कि उसका थॉट इधर उधर न जाए, मंत्र की तरफ लग जाए.
तो अजपा जपा
अच्छा,
तब तक के लिए ही.
तब तक.
उसके बाद
फिर तो वो तो जपता ही हर वक्त. सकारी न बहरियाती हकारी न वशतपना. He is then aware of each and every breath. 21,600 breaths
breaths.
go. Then they become less, 50%. Then they become 1/4. The more breath less, no, thoughts less. The more lengthened breath,
The more
thoughts. It is just to come out of these thoughts so that you can. Thoughts are pollution. Thought is pollution. Any good or bad thought. Satuguni thought. This Abhinav Gupta has told in Tantra Loka, Paramarth Vikalpi pe Navalet Pandita Kohi Bedu Vikalpa se Shuddhiva Pathva Ashuddhi. शुद्ध और अशुद्ध थॉट में क्या भेद है? कुछ नहीं. न अवलित पंडिता, पंडित जो होता है जानने वाला, वो हैज कम टू, उसमें नहीं दसना चाहिए. रबिश है ये, रबिश. क्या? परमार्थ विकल्प. अगर परमार्थ का भी थॉट आ जाए, दैट इज ऑल्सो हर्डल. परमार्थ विकल्प पे न अवलित पंडिता, उसमें फंस मत जाओ. कोई भेद विकल्प से. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थॉट? That is golden chain, it is iron chain.
chain is a chain.
No, there is complete thought. It is, then there is only nothing and there is
If
there is only consciousness.
practical question.
Knowing. It is knowing. It is called Gyan is Zan. Knower is known, is knowing. Gyata is Gye, is Gyan. यही जानना है. ये मैं हूं. जब मैं हूं तब ये है तब मैं. ये हो गया तब. इसमें भी स्ट्रगल है. फिर लास्ट पर आता है इदम सर्वमा. दिस ऑल इज आई. दिस ऑल आई. पहले है शाम्बोपाय. उद्देति मत वेदम महेव पृथ्वी. शाम्बोपाय. थर्ड उपाय. आनवोपाय वो सांस पर है.
हाँ.
शाक्तोपाय बिटवीन टू थॉट्स.
हाँ.
एक थॉट उठा दूसरे को उठने नहीं दिया बीच में. ये हो गया शाक्तोपाय. शाम्बोपाय हो गया उद्देति मत ये वेदम. ये सारा यूनिवर्स आई से ही उठा है. व्हेन देयर इज आई. मयव प्रतिबिंबति. इट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन मी व्हेन देयर इज आई. इट हैज कम आउट ऑफ आई. इट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन आई. उद्देति मत ये तो मयव मत अभिन्नम. सो इट इज अभिन्न. ये है ये है. हो गया ना अभिन्न.
हाँ.
ये है ये ये भी यहाँ पर भी ये करना है. क्या यू हैव टू अभ्यास करना है. ये भी अभ्यास ही है. भी इसमें भी आपको एफर्ट करनी है. जब इस पर गया तो वापस आए. जब इस पर गया तो ये भी मेरे में है. दिस इज ऑल्सो लोअर स्टेज. द शक्ति इज आई एम दिस. दिस इज आई एम दिस. ये हो गया लोअर. फिर लास्ट पर होता है दिस इज टोटल यूनिवर्सल. इदम सर्वमा. वो गीता जी में कृष्ण भगवान ने बोला सर्वमेति अहम वासुदेव. सब वासुदेव. सब ये प्रिया वो मुझे प्यारा है. सर्वमेति वासुदेव.
सो जब हम भैरवा कहते हैं विज्ञान भैरव तंत्र में कुछ रूप नहीं है.
नहीं कुछ रूप नहीं.
कुछ रूप
Nothing,
नहीं है.
nothing.
कुछ.
Because mind has been unminded there.
Wow.
When mind is unminded, that is soul.
What is the most practical dharana?
Just take a cup. The cup is not only the shape, design, and the color. It is the emptiness held within the cup. When there is no emptiness, where is the cup? Where is the shape? Emptiness held within a form is cup. When there is no emptiness, where is the cup? Where is the shape? We want to come from outside. We have to come from that emptiness. This is not blank emptiness. It's only awareness. The more empty you are, the more aware you are.
It is full.
It is
Purna.
full. It is not blank. It is full.
That shunya is full.
Shunyasyapi sakyatvam. Because there is something or some who realizes shunya. ये बोध बोलते हैं ना. वो बोलता है शून्यस्यापि साक्यतम शून्यम आसित कथम वद. हाउ कैन बी देयर शून्य. दैट बोध आई टोल्ड हिम इट इज शून्य. कैन की. एक क्षण में गया तो मोहम्मद थॉट एक था. मगर उसने बोला शून्यस्यापि साक्यतम. शून्य को भी वो चिंता है. शून्य को भी वो यू कैन नॉट डिनाई. द डिनायर इज द डिनायर. यू कैन नॉट डिनाई इवन विदाउट डिनायर.
What is the best way to get back to breath?
To
Breath. How to be aware of the breath? What is the best way?
you
How
should-
to
you
push it back? What is
you-
the practice?
You should read this Anupay in Tantra Loka. Or Swamiji has given that upayas in that book, Secret Supreme. You should read that. What more? He has elaborated
Yeah.
this lover means. And one who does not even come to that, he is being given other.
Other, yeah.
Because the puja is also included there. Mala is also, that is all anupaya.
Anupaya.
A novice man who has no, he is being said, Swami, do this. Om Namah Shivaya, or whatever he will tell you. Or just go with full love. Pour milk on Shivlingam. Pair there. Put flowers with your devotion, with love. It will rise. One day it will. This is elevation. So that he comes to that point where he picks up that. What is the middle? Madhya Vikasa Chidananda Lava. Madhya ka Vikas kya hai? Then one day he comes to that.
How does bhakti play a role in Shaivism?
Oh, bhakti. Bhakti is, what is bhakti? Huh? Bhakti is not to create in something, huh? To create in some idol bhakti. That is not Shiva bhakti. That is not in Shaivism. पहले इसमें है शिव स्तोत्रावली में बताया इसने तम आत्मेश सर उत्पल देव ने
हाँ
उत्पल स्तोत्रावली
हाँ जी
तमेव आत्मेश सर्वस्य सर्वचात्मनि राघवान इति स्वभाव सिद्धाम तत् भक्तिम जानन जयत जनः तमेव आत्मेश सर्वस्य ओ लॉर्ड यू आर द आत्मा और एवरीथिंग without you there is no life that is our existence when there is Shiva then we are Swamiji would always tell us hey paglo jab Shiv hai tab aa that is existence when there is ocean then it is bubble when there is ocean then there is that tide the tide says I am something bubble says I am something hey pagla you are nothing but water
Understanding.
if one comes to know in water in that little also I am nothing but water बस ये जुड़ गया ना उसके साथ किसके साथ पानी वो जुड़ गया समंदर के साथ फिर वो जितना उसका कारोबार होता है वो करेगा एज पर कर्म
As per them.
एज पर कर्म वो करता रहेगा बट ही इज ऑलवेज ही इज डूइंग द वर्क ऑफ द बट ही इज कनेक्टेड साइमल्टेनियसली
So a Jivan Mukta has karma also,
यस
but not connected.
there because he is connected to that universality
Understanding.
he uses this body as a machine
That's it.
that is it
Full stop.
is it possible for the Asha, this explanation of this shlok Tamatmesh sarvasya oh lord you are the existence of everything atma you are the life of everything sarvasya everybody loves his own self it is because of that because you are the self but unknowingly we love ourselves we don't know who is that huh?
Very
but because you are actually self tamatmesh sarvasya सर्वोच्च आत्मनिरागम एवरीबॉडी लव्स हिज ओन सेल्फ एक चींटी भी चढ़ेगी ना उसको करो ये हर्डल वो भी भाग जाएगी वो भी अपने को
हाँ
एक मच्छर को करो एक हाथी को
सच
सब अपने को प्यार करते हैं विदाउट एनी
हाँ
ये नहीं है गरीब में ज्यादा उसमें कम प्रेम है अमीर में ज्यादा है छोटे मॉस्किटो में कम लव है अपना हाथी में ज्यादा चतुर्मुखिंद्र देवेशो मनुष्याश गवादेशो चार मुख वाले देवता मनुष्यों में गवादिशो एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा जलचर थलचर नभचर चैतन्य में एक आत्मा है चैतन्य इज वन इसलिए मुझ में भी हो गई अच्छा तमेवाद में सर्वोच्च आत्मा राग में स्वभाव से दिस इज नेचुरल लव यू हैव नॉट टू क्रिएट लव फॉर योरसेल्फ इट इज नेचुरल लव you know create this love for somebody or some idol imaginary thing or something tamevat sarvasya atmira everybody loves his own self it is swabhav siddham it is natural love tat bhakti this is your bhakti it is swabhav siddham tat bhakti ये नेचुरल भक्ति है आपकी ये भगवान आपने सबको दे दी है यू हैव गिवन दिस विदाउट डिस्पैरिटी टू ईच एंड एवरी मगर अब क्या है जानन जयत जना जिसको ये पता चले किसका मैं प्रेम करता हूं उसकी जय जयकार ही इज ग्लोरिफाइड एंड सस्वरूपान अंधानम अब भक्ति क्या है सस्वरूपान अपने स्वरूप का अनुसंधान करना ही भक्ति सस्वरूपान संधानम भक्ति अभिधेयति दैट इज भक्ति अपने स्वरूप का हर वक्त अनुसंधान मैं कौन हूं हु एम आई विमर्श विमर्श चित्त विमर्श स्वामी जी हमको कहते हैं और ऑल फूड्स यू डोंट नो हु आई एम यू आर मैड्स मैडनेस में सारा करते हो पूजा करते हो उधर तुलमल जाते हो फूल चढ़ाते हो इट इज इन मैडनेस अरे सेंस में करो नहीं व्हेन यू कम टू सेल्फ देन डू इट हैज सम अदर चार्म
That is bhakti.
दैट इज भक्ति सो स्वरूप की अनुसंधान ही करना भक्ति अहम विमर्श चित्त विमर्श हमको कश्मीरी में बोला चित्त विमर्श दीप्तमान भगवान चित्त विमर्श से प्रकाश प्रकट होता है जब तक विमर्श नहीं करेगा हर समय। इसलिए शैविज्म में विमर्श ये शक्ति है, फिर शिव का प्रकटन होता है।
और विमर्श के थ्रू ही हम शक्ति शिव के यहाँ जा सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल। शैवी मुखम यहोच्यति, ये शैव का सिद्धांत है। शैवी मुखम यहोच्यति, शिव को जानने के लिए शक्ति ही मुख है। दैट इज द माउथ थ्रू यू कैन एंटर इन।
100%।
जब मैं कुछ देखता हूं तो मैं देखने वाला बनता। जब ये नहीं होता तो कैसे अपना पता चलता? ये दिस वर्ल्ड हैज बीन क्रिएटेड जस्ट टू कम टू आवरसेल्फ। With all the five senses you can do puja if you are aware. They become followers. They become highways to come to that kingdom. These very five senses, which are so torturous for us, they become one day followers to adore Lord.
Beautiful.
This is Shaivism.
So in Shaivism, Shiva is participating in everything.
Everything.
He is everything.
There is nothing but there is nothing but. Shiva eva grahit pashubhava. शिव ने ही पशुभाव धारण किया है, ignorance. When there is no ignorance, then you are Shiva.
So
ignorance यही है कि मैं नहीं हूँ, I am not. इसको शक है ना, मैं नहीं। ये बोलता है इसको शुभम शुभम, तो तत्वमसि, वेदांती बोल तत्वमसि तत्वमसि, समझता ही नहीं।
So either ignorance है या लीला है वो।
इग्नोरेंस जीव के लिए ना, इग्नोरेंस दे दिए ना इसको, इसका पर्दा बन गया इग्नोरेंस। ये बोलते हैं बस मेरा मेरा अपना।
बट अगर कौन समझ गया तो लीला हो जाएगा वो।
फिर तो लीला है। He enjoys this
सभी लीला है।
You will enjoy the universe if there is no thought.
Understanding.
Your taste, enjoying the taste will be also there in that ecstasy. It will take you there. Because मुर्दा टेस्ट नहीं कर सकता है ना।
समझ गया।
जब कॉन्शियसनेस है तब टेस्ट होता है। They all go to that. These all listening, seeing, tasting, touching, smelling. This is called yoga siddh. While seeing, if I see beauty, while seeing the beauty, I go inside again. That is yoga siddha. And while if I listen, charya siddh. While listening the music, charya siddh. It is siddhi. It gives siddhi. Siddh banta hai wo. एक चीज से. And while by smelling, it is highest shambhav siddh. Just फ्रांस के आगे वो थोड़ी सी, बस इतना वही हो गया। एंड टेस्ट करता है। टेस्ट हम खाते हैं, दफ्तर देर हो गया, 5 मिनट में खाया तो निकल के गद्दुम की तरह, कुत्तों की तरह। They take enjoy that. It is puja.
Participating in everything.
It is puja. आत्मी विषय वो अभिनव गुप्ता देहस्थ देवता चक्र, देह में ही देवताओं का चक्र बनता है इसको। आत्मी विषय वो गैर इंद्रिय देव्या सदा हृदम भोज्ये अभिपूजयन्त्यं तम चिन्मयम आनंद भैरवम सदा वंदे। आत्मी विषय by their respective whatever they are offering. This is offering of listening. This is offering of seeing, tasting, smelling, and this touching. Atmi by their respective offerings. Atmi Vishivu. Indriya Deva. These Indriya Devis. Not with thoughts. When they are clarified. Indriya Devi क्या करते हैं? आत्मी विषिव हो गई इंद्रिय देवी सदा ऑलवेज हृदम भोजी, जो हृदय में ठहरा है ये भैरव हृदम भोजी, वो अम्बोज में, लोटस में, हृदय लोटस में ठहरा है वो। अभी पूजन ये इसकी पूजा ही करते हैं, उसकी यम जिसकी पूजा करते हैं, तम उस आनंद भैरव को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ। दे आर ऑलवेज गोइंग एडोरिंग दिस आनंद भैरव। आई गो टू दैट आनंद। आत्मीय विषयपन अपने ऑफरिंग देते हैं ना ये।
हाँ जी।
सो ही इज विजिलेंट इन नाउ। इफ ही इज इन रश ऑफ लाइफ ही इज विजिलेंट। व्हाइल लिसनिंग सब कोई हर्डल नहीं है। दे बिकम द सामग्री ऑफ पूजा। flowers to adore Lord. Because there is no other, only consciousness, only some God consciousness. Rest is thought. Your name is thought. Because when you go to sleep, where is your bank balance? Where is your
Nothing.
house? Where is your car? Where is your family? And you enjoy that. Huh? But that is Nidra Samadhi sthiti. You have to be like that and vigilant, without thoughts. That is Nidra Samadhi. Nidra is actually Samadhi, but there is ignorance.
There's ignorance.
The sleeper has gone into sleeping state.
Yes.
Here he realizes his realizes the sleep. That is Samadhi.
If someone wants to start Kashmir Shaivism
हाँ.
for a beginner, what is the best way to start? जो आज किताब पहली बार उठाएगा या कुछ समझेगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है समझना?
हमारे स्वामी जी के पास उत्पल सूत्रावली भक्त ग्रंथ हर वक्त अपने हाथ में होता था. जब तक डिवोटली डिवोशन नहीं होगी तब तक ये ड्राई सब्जेक्ट नहीं. इट इज मैटर ऑफ लव.
मैटर ऑफ कैन अ पर्सन
शिव शक्ति यूनियन इज लव इटसेल्फ. ये शिवरात्रि वही है. अब हम बोलते हैं शादी हो गई उस दिन.
हाँ जी हाँ.
इट इज जस्ट सिंबॉलिक.
Can a person experience unconditional love?
This is unconditional love.
But can we maintain it? Is it possible? Only in Bhairava state. Only when we lose identity.
As long as you are something. So I told you, you are nothing. As long as you want to become something, the struggle starts. So if you are intelligent, be nothing. Only consciousness. Your name is thought. It has been given to you by parents. You are repeating this, you have become the name.
How can I understand consciousness? Language mein.
Some with knowing. Janna.
And it is self-knowing.
Drishta is drish.
हाँ.
Is darshan. इस पर हर वक्त रहना.
Samvit में रहना है.
Samvit.
और samvit क्या है मतलब?
Knowing. Some is samantat. All round. With is knowing. All round knowing. Knowing by knowing everything. It is only knowing. It is Gyan. Jnata is Gay is Gyan. Knower is known is knowing. Drishta is Drish is Darshan. Darshanam Prathamavas. प्रथमावास हो गया. यहाँ पर थॉट कभी उठा ही नहीं. हर ही देखना सुनना.
और अगर जजमेंट आता है, थॉट आता है, उसे कट कैसे
You can
करना
use
है?
the thought. Wherever it is required, you can use the thought. Thought should not use you. You should become a cricket bat, not a ball.
Beautiful.
You should handle thought. Tadak. It should not kick you. Thought should not kick you. You can use memory, you can use thought.
How will I become a bat?
When you are aware. Who am I? Consciousness.
So mentally keep on again and again.
Just like that dancer has kept his all these five on her head. किसी वक्त तो बर्न भी हो रहा है ऊपर, जलता है वो पांचवा गड्ढा जलता है उधर. She dances according to the ताल लाई of the rhythm पर उसको नाचना होता है. किसको? डांसर को. वो अपने अंग का प्रदर्शन करती है ना.
हाँ.
हाथ भी हिलाती है, गर्दन भी हिलाती है, कमर भी. एट द ट्यून ऑफ म्यूजिक. ऐसे नहीं करेगी ना.
हाँ जी.
वही अच्छी डांसर. यू हैव टू बी विद द वर्ल्ड.
Understand.
एंड all your senses are there. They may not come down.
Beautifully explained. Is this the highest teaching in Kashmir Shaivism?
This is highest. Yes.
Be in the world.
Yes, it is
Be-
not to escape. No
Not to
escapement. No escape.
Full participation.
Full participation.
All the time.
All the time. That is full sharing.
No holiday.
Vedanti says, samsar mithya, छोड़ दो जाओ. Jagat Brahma
हाँ.
Satyam Jagat Mithya.
हाँ, ब्रह्म
It is
भी-
not that.
जगत भी सत्य, ब्रह्म भी
Yeah.
सब कुछ सत्य.
बिल्कुल. Yeah. When Lord Shiva is Satya, how his creation is unreal. हम इसमें लगाएंगे सिर तो फट जाएगा ना. ये अनरियल कैसे?
Abhinav Gupta ji has spoken about the Navras also, the rasas.
हाँ, उसने बोला जो म्यूजिक से अंदर नहीं जाएगा, he is गद्दा, he is like an ass.
Complete participation in everything.
वो वही है ना. It is only consciousness. It is only samvit. Samvit is Shiva.
The best, beautiful.
Samvit tat है ये बस और
Bas.
बस. Rest is thought. Whatever is your name, your fame, your status.
So thoughtlessness is Bhairava. Shiva.
बस
बस.
बिल्कुल कंप्लीट. थॉटलेस हो गया तो बस वो उसमें जागृत हो गया उधर से.
पूरा full aware हो गया.
अवेयर हो गया ना. वरना
Full aware होगा तो all
वरना आप शिव हो ही. थॉट से सन इज ऑलरेडी देयर. व्हेन देयर इज बादल छट गए, सन इज देयर. यू हैव नॉट टू ब्रिंग लॉर्ड शिवा फ्रॉम सम माउंटेन.
So हमारा जो first question था, if Shiva has forgotten himself, is again coming back to.
Yes, it comes to
So no dot, no circumference.
no do.
Complete dissolution.
Complete. It is total death. When there is total death, then there is life. Then life starts. Total death of little, and then there is whole. It is let go. Unless let go, nothing will happen.
It's an honor to.
Hmm?
Honor एक privilege है आपसे.
Let go.
Direct.
There is only consciousness. There is nothing else.
There's nothing.
God consciousness. That works. We other identity, this thought. I am something. My name, my frame, and we know this frame will go one day.
One.
But this is the best temple. This is the precious temple. You should maintain this temple to come to yourself. Don't give bad things to this temple. As you maintain that temple, maintain this temple. By good things, by good polish, good everything. Don't give bad things to it. Because it is his given. It is man-made. It is symbolic.
Understand that.
But the symbols are also important. वरना हम भूल ही जाएंगे.
हम बोली जाए.
ना इधर जाएंगे ना उधर. ना इधर के रहे ना उधर.
समझ लो. एक important teaching आप देना चाहते हो. पूरा कश्मीर शेविज्म को अगर मैं नट शेल में लूँ और मैं उसको प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कल उठ के अप्लाई करना चाहूँ, एक इम्पोर्टेंट कीवर्ड जो
बस watch your breath. This is for common people.
And for already deep into
Because you cannot watch your thought. It is very difficult. Mind is flickering. You cannot travel your mind. It is very difficult. There are some people who are prana bandhanam is swamidanam. By prana you can catch it. प्राण बंधनम में सौम्य इदम मना. इसका प्राण का बंधन है. प्राण जहाँ प्राण रुकेगा वहाँ मन रुकेगा. जहाँ मन रुकेगा वहाँ प्राण. उसको जरूरत ही नहीं प्राणाभ्यास. जिसका मन, क्योंकि मन एवं मनुष्यानाम कारणम बंध मोक्ष. जब तक मन नहीं स्टेबल हो जाएगा कुछ नहीं बनेगा. फिर मन भी खत्म.
तो गुरुजी आपका नाम ही भैरव है. प्राण जी.
क्या भैरव. ये हमारे गुरु जी को ना हमारा हमने उनको ही अपना ये दे दिया है ना सारा. हम कुछ नहीं है. ये वही बोलता है. हम क्या बोलेंगे.
गुरु जी का इम्पोर्टेंस कितना है. गुरु का होना कितना आवश्यक है.
गुरु का होना बहुत. अब किसी का गुरु नहीं होता है. उसके सेंस बनते हैं गुरु.
Beautifully said.
His 5 senses become his guru. This is the in Tantra law. There is the question, if somebody has no guru, he also comes to this how without guru. Abhinav Gupta says, no. Shiva says to Parvati, it is because his senses become so aware and he is, that they become his guru.
Your one last question. Your one core memory with Gurudev. If you want to share.
Guru Maharaj was with, when I was little, जनेऊ भी उसी ने पहनाया. छोटा इसको दिखाओ ना फोटो. जनेऊ भी उसी ने पहनाया. मुझे क्या पता है. Because I am 43 born. he came here from Srinagar 1931. So Guru came before me. There might have been so many bandhan, in so many janmas. So he had to come here to
Today.
to take care of me.
Wow.
31 में आ गया 1931. My father was his friend. बहाना बन गया ये. इसने बोला उसको यहाँ बहुत शोर है श्रीनगर में. I want to go to some secluded place. 1931 में यहाँ बहुत कम लोग थे. पहाड़ पर गया ऊपर आश्रम बनवाया. बोला ये बहुत अच्छा है. 1 किलोमीटर में कोई बस्ती नहीं थी. सेक्लूजन. उधर रीछ आते थे, शेर आते थे उनके आश्रम में. यहाँ इतना जंगल में था उस वक्त. तो 31 में उन्होंने बनाया उधर. 43 I was going with my father. मुझे 7 साल से याद है कैसे मैं जाता था. कैसे स्वामी जी मिठाई मुझे चंद देता था. क्या बताओ. और बोलता था आज क्या तुमने पिताजी ने क्या पढ़ाया. सीधा हमको वो लघु कौमुदी पढ़ाते थे. वो अखो विसर्जन्यानाम. वो खुश होते थे. छोटा बच्चा है क्योंकि छोटेपन में याद रहता है ना. मेमोरी शार्प होती है. बड़े होकर फिर नहीं रहते. मैं बोलता था बस. वो खुश होता था. बोलता मिठाइयाँ लगाता था जेब में. मैं खुश होता था. मैं पिताजी को मैं भी आ जाऊंगा. मुझे ना मिठाई का था ना चस्का. बादाम नवद. बहुत खुश होते थे. ये सुना कर. वो सतराम ने क्या सुनाया आज. क्या पढ़ाया जरा सुनाओ क्या. मैं बोलता था जो उन्हें बिकम ये है ना ये लग पहला वो उस बड़ा गोडनुक आयुंग रिलक एउंग एओज हायवरत लन न्यमननम जबंगड़दश जबगड़दश कप चढ़तो कपैश. दिस इज द फर्स्ट श्लोक ऑफ माहेश्वरानी सूत्रानी. ग्रामर हैज कम आउट फ्रॉम दिस. बहुत खुश हो जाते थे. मैं बोलता था स्वामी मुझे पिताजी इनको प्रणाम करो ये भगवान है. मुझे भगवान ही लगा. फिर 1961 में उन्होंने मुझे इनिशिएट किया. 1 साल तो पटकाया. 1 साल के बाद उसने देखे ना जरा क्यूरियस है कि नहीं बच्चा है अभी.
हर गुरु का एक स्टाइल रहता है. जैसे उन्होंने हमें भी. And I'm very surprised to see Babaji here. How it's connecting it is. आपका लास्ट इंटरेक्शन कैसा था गुरुदेव के साथ. लास्ट डेज व्हेन ऑफ कोर्स आप थे वहाँ हमें पता है.
स्वामी जी ने बोला you have to because no other shesha 3 or 4 sheshas of Swamiji, sheshas of devotees of Swamiji remained here. He told everybody not to leave. Although they were from 70, 60 years connected. He told them, but they left Kashmir. And Swamiji told me, you have to stay here. I stayed. Because I was short sure he is my God. What he says, he will not say here and there. Because I had no doubt. Doubtless. Those who left, despite his telling, they had some doubt. So they left. So it was natural because there was no distance between my Guru. I surrendered totally. Total. Samarpan. I didn't think so, but somebody may kill me. Or 14 kilometers, there is none. No Hindu house.
You have Supreme Court security.
Yes.
Plus.
One must have that. One must have that doubtless.
Yes.
As long as you are doubtful, you are gone. If you have served your Guru for 50, 60 years, one doubt comes, you are gone. The whole you are serving the Guru has gone. That has no value because there doubt has risen. Doubt is the enemy. Doubt is enemy. In Guru Shishya relations, doubt is enemy. You should be doubtless. Like Lord Shiva. The more doubtless you are, bas, that is oneness with. Because he has tasted that glory.
Yes.
It is lineage. Direct. It goes from direct. Shiva. Shiva who has been in his by lineage, in my Guru, so I am connected. Automatically, I had not to do anything. I had to be doubtless. Samshayatma vinashyati. Our Krishna Bhagavan has told in Gita. जो संशय होता है वो विनश्य, उसका नाश. संशयात्मा विनश्यति. बिल्कुल, you should be doubtless. That gives the, you have not achieved, you have surrendered everything. उसको बोलते हैं समर्पण. बस. It is all a meditation if you are aware.
Yes.
It is all puja. पूजा पूजक पूज्य भेद सरनी केयम कथा अनुत्तरी. अनुत्तर में ना पूजक रहता है ना पूज्य रहता है. केयम कथा. भेद कथा. बस यही है और कुछ नहीं. प्रेम यही है. प्रेम है समर्पण. मेरा हृदय ही दे दिया तो उधर क्या रहा.
सो भक्ति बगैर
मुझे
नहीं.
मैं जब स्वामी जी चले गए ना, देश छोड़ दिया, एक मैं बताऊंगा, मुझे बहुत खेद हो गया. बिकॉज ही वॉज मैं यहाँ भैरव मंदिर की फिर पूजा, मैं यहाँ था, मैं उसकी पूजा करता था. भैरव वहाँ पर एक टेम्पल है, वो अमृतेश्वर भैरव. उन्हें इंस्टॉल किया था वो 80s में. मगर आई वॉज वेरी मच डिस्टर्ब्ड आफ्टर हियर. तो वो सपने में आ गए स्वामी जी. बोलो व्हाई आर यू वीपिंग. ही केम जस्ट, दैट इज बिफोर मी एट दिस टाइम. वो सदर था, क्या बोला, बास्केट लगाकर मैं उसके पैरों में मैं रोता हूँ. आप कहाँ थे, आप कहाँ थे. हैं? बोलता है ये नहीं करना चाहिए. डोंट. अपने साथ मिलाए. बोलना चाहिए मैंने तुमको हृदय दे दिया, बस और कुछ नहीं जरूरत. हृदय हृदय. तब तक मुझे ये नहीं पता था हृदय का. बोलो हृदय दे, हृदय दे, हृदय. मुझे ये नहीं जरूरत है ये रोना धोना. हृदय दे दो बस. तब से फिर मैंने ये देखा व्याप्त चराचर में, उसमें है ना वो
अनाथ शरण्य
ना हृदय सुन तया हृदय वंदे. हृदय से मैं आपकी पूजा करता हूँ, ये नहीं बॉडी से, हृदय से. जब हृदय ही दे दिया तो फिर क्या रहा. बोला नहीं, बोलना चाहिए हृदय. ये नहीं, मैं पड़ गया, गिड़गिड़ाया मैं पैरों पर, उधर इधर, मैं इधर कर चुमिए दे तो बोला ना ना उठो. ऐसे दिखाया. मैं बोला बोलना चाहिए हृदय दे दिया. हृदय देना बस, और कुछ नहीं. बॉडी देने से कुछ सर्वस्व है ना वही बाबा हृदय. दिस इज द आफ्टर ही लेफ्ट हिज बॉडी. ये मुझे हो गया पत्थर. और आई वाज एंजॉयिंग देन दिस होल ट्रबल ऑफ कश्मीर. ट्रबल, ये ट्रबल वाटर में था ना कश्मीर 90s से. आई एंजॉयड. आई वाज गोइंग टू ऑफिस. टीका करते थे वो यहाँ पर, टीका लगा कर वो पंडित भागते थे, मैं दफ्तर जाता. इट वाज ऑल कंट्रोडिक्शन. गॉड ब्लेस. जय गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव. ये हमारा अपना नहीं, गुरु का है सब. आई एम जैसे टूल. इसमें से निकलता ही.
We are very privileged to be in your presence.
गॉड ब्लेस.
Thank you. आप, हम प्रे कर रहे थे सिर्फ कि आप
सुखी रहो बेटा, सुखी रहो. तंचे चाय रस भगवान सुखी रखे. It is all love, universal, unconditional love. It is not that bargaining. That is not love.